Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Anthony. I'm a master student in Germany. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the skills that you need before coming to Europe. If you are planning to come to Europe, you need to have certain skill sets to land a job. When I was coming here, I had this thing in my mind. If I'm going to Europe, I have to support myself. If I have to support myself, I have to work. I was very confused and I had fear that if I go to Europe and I want to do part-time job, how I'm going to get a part-time job and when I will get my first salary, because when you are in Europe, you need to have around 500 to 800 euro living expense for each month. This is a lot of money in my country, so I was very confused and I had a fear that if I'm going to be successful or not. If I have to be successful in studies, I should have a part-time job to support myself. I cannot ask money to my family. If you are in a similar situation like me in 2018, you are watching a right video. This video is for you. I will share when exactly you will get your first salary and what are the skills required to land a job in Europe. This is a journal video for all the European countries. I have been to Europe since 2018 and I have experienced that there are certain set of skills, and if you have required skills, it is not tough to get a job. Because this video has two parts. The first part is when you are going to get your first salary and what is the procedure. I will explain you the whole procedure. Second part is about the set of skills that you need to have before coming to Europe. Once you land Europe, what you need to do within the first week is collect the information how you can visit the tax agency to submit application for tax number. Once you get the appointment, you can visit them with the required documentation. They will evaluate your document and give you the tax number. The time limit to get a tax number is between 1 week to 8 weeks. If you give them all the document, all required document according to their requirement, they will issue the tax number as soon as they evaluate your application. Once you get the tax number, the next step is to go and open a bank account. These two things are required to start any job. They need your tax number so they can register you as employee in the tax agency system, and they need a bank account number to transfer your salary. Nobody gives you salary in cash. If somebody say we are going to give you salary in cash, it's not a white job, it's a black job. Don't do that. It's my recommendation. And now we can talk about the set of skills that you required for a part-time or a full-time job. Before I start telling you about the skill set required for part-time job, I would like to tell you a very good thing about Europe. It is not hard to find a part-time job. When you come here, you should have information where to look for job, what are the skills set I have, and how I can connect my skill set to the job. So this is very important. Very first thing that I would recommend to the people who are coming from India, Pakistan or Bangladesh, they should know the driving. If you know the driving, you can work for any food delivery company, you can work for taxi company, or you can work for Amazon. These jobs are easy to get. Food delivery job you can get within a week if you have a tax ID and bank account, and if you get a job within 1 week after getting these documents, you will get the salary in a month and then you can support yourself easily. Secondly, if you are coming to Europe and you know the computer well, you should learn graphic designing, you should learn web development or any programming language. These are highly in demand professions in Europe. If you belong to computer science profession, try to do some freelancing on Upwork and Fiverr. These two websites are very good platform to start earning money. If you have a good rating on Fiverr and Upwork, then it is very easy to get work here because everything is digital in Europe. Let me tell you about Fiverr and Upwork. If you have good rating on Fiverr and Upwork from your freelancing work, then Europe is considered heaven for you. In Europe, even a small barber shop also have a website. So if you know the web development, you have higher chances of getting work in Europe. And with good rating from Fiverr and Upwork platform, your chances of getting freelancing work or a part-time job as a web developer are very high. If your field of study is not computer science, still you can learn computer programming or any other skill to find a part-time job or to do a freelancing. I would like to recommend you to use online resources like Udemy or Coursera. Both are excellent resources. I have a background in molecular biology, but for my second master in Germany, I had to learn programming like Python. I have a personal experience of learning Python from Udemy. If you spend $10 or $20, you can get a course where they will teach you basic or advanced level of courses. And once you complete a course, then you can do some online projects and build a good profile. And then you can start doing freelancing from your home country on Fiverr or Upwork. This way you can build your profile for online jobs and you can easily do freelancing, or you can find a part-time job within a time of 3 to 6 months before coming here. You can learn the skills required to do freelancing or find a part-time job, and it required 3 to 6 months. If you give a good time to these resources, then getting result is easy. It required determination and good commitment to get the result. So start learning as soon as you decide, like, I have to go to some country, because it is going to take 6 months to 1 year time to get your admission and visa. So my recommendation is learning computer skill is best decision you can ever make. Here I would like to mention the skills which required like 1 or 2 months to learn, and it doesn't require a lot of money to get training. These skills are computer repairing or phone repairing. If you know computer repairing or phone repairing, still you have chances to get a part-time job very easily. So these are the skill set that you need to find a job, a part-time job. If you have these skills, I can guarantee you, you will find a part-time job within the first month. You don't have to worry about that. In the last, I would like to talk about the language. If you are coming to Germany, Sweden, Italy, Netherlands, you should learn the language. If you know the language, then again, it is very easy to find a part-time job. If you know the language and you have a tax number and bank account, you can visit any restaurant, you can visit the companies, you can visit the newspaper agencies. They can hire you. It is easy to get job with the language. Thank you very much for watching the video. I have shared my own experience, what I have learned in the last 4 years, and you can work on your skills before coming to Europe. Try to learn something so you have skills to find a job and you can make good money.